arm.
Oh, do you know that this situation is related to what we have learned in chapter 5 physics, which is statics?
Oh, really?
Yes, let us hear deeper explanation from Nidal.
Hi and Assalamualaikum guys. Today I'll be explaining about moment and how it can relate to our everyday life. So moment is essentially a rotational effect from a force acting at a distance from the pivot point. The equation that we use for moment is m equals to Rf. So do you want to see how it looks like? Let me show you. So as I've said before, m equals to Fr. But what exactly is F and R? F is basically force, the force that you use to push or pull the object. Meanwhile, R is distance, which is basically this distance from the pivot point to the point where the force is applied. Changing the magnitude of both of this will give you different results for moment. So now let's apply the same idea in our own body. Our bones act like levers, our joints are the pivot point, and our muscles are the one providing the force. Every time you lift, push or pull something, your body is creating moments, just like when you open a door or use a wrench. So let's look at the elbow flexion as an example. When you lift your forearm, the elbow joints acts as the fulcrum. Your biceps pull on your forearm to create a turning effect, and that's the moment or torque that makes your arm move upward. The hand and whatever you're holding act as the load. So the elbow is the pivot, the biceps provide the force, and the distance between them is what decides how strong the turning effect is. So what are the muscles involved? First, we have the brachii, and the brachialis, and the brachioradialis. All three of these muscles will provide the force to move your elbow, so you could carry heavy weights with it, play sports like badminton, and even just simply lifting your cup to drink.
When a player performs a smash, several joints rotate, which is shoulder, elbow, and wrist. The muscle apply force at a certain distance from these joints. This creates a moment that makes the arm rotate quickly to hit the shuttlecock. A badminton smash is related to the concept of moment because muscle apply force around joints to rotate the arm. The greater the moment, the faster and more powerful the smash will be.
So on the body diagram, we can get equation of moment. Sum of moment net equals to 0. Sum of moment anticlockwise minus sum moment clockwise equals to 0. Next, we can get sum moment anticlockwise equals to sum moment clockwise. Lastly, R1 times weight equals to R2 times force. As for the equation of force, it is unrelated for muscles and joints in this example.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Laqad khalaqnal insana fi ahsani taqwim. We have indeed created man in the best of modes. Allah affirms that humans are created perfectly, physically, mentally, and spiritually. This shows the honor and excellence of human beings compared to other creations. When we observe the human body, the structure of bones, organs, and the complex system, everything functions in harmony. Humans also possess an intellect that allows them to think, invent, and make decisions. Therefore, reason confirms that humans truly are created in the best form as Allah stated.